What's going on, guys? How's your mornings? All right, well, we can start going. Looks like people came in. Okay, Elliot, I'm too score to short BPTH. Yeah, I can see why. Former insane runner. I might add a little bit into here because I'm already in BPTH. Depending on if VWAP fails or not, is my confirmation to add. So, I'm just kind of watching it right now at this point. Just seeing the price action. I'm in a little bit here off of VWAP, AIL, BGI, UNE. Okay. So I'll just go over kind of really the only things that I'm looking to trade is the gappers today, and that's going to be EVK, BPTH, potentially ADIL, and BGI. So EVK, we've got, it's starting to come down a little bit now. Newton, watching ADL, hoping for a squeeze to 3. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm looking forward to. I would it's not gonna get, I doubt it gets to 3, but I mean, yeah, but 250 to 3 is kind of the area that I'm looking for. So EVK, we've got really, if you just go on the daily, there's really no resistance, like volume weighted resistance at all. This doesn't have any bag holders, so not the most ideal short really, or a really good short for a noob anyway. But hold on. But the pre-market chart here off of 445 came all the way down to 225, so it gave a lot of it back. So I'm assuming that any pops into key levels are probably going to be sold into. So we've got this 250 down here, which is kind of now support, and then we got this this $3 level, and then this 330, 340 level. And that's kind of what I'm using. So I took some in here. This started coming down. I took a little bit more, but it popped back up. So now I'm just kind of monitoring if I need to size down so that I can keep on adding. Maybe take off my full position and then re-add higher. I'm still kind of debating on what I'm going to be doing on that one. Got a little bit faked out here on this pull back and this rejection off of VWAP because it's kind of reclaimed this bounce. BPTH falling through. Okay, so I would be looking to add now on BPTH into pops. So that's my plan now. If there are any more shares available, we shall see. There are a little bit. Okay, or not. Trade 0 is being really slow right now. Come on. Can I get any shares? Doesn't look like it. I don't know why. It's been super slow. Not really sure what the problem is. Come on. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to secure share, so give me a sec. It's not it's like saying they're there, but then every time I click on accept, it says no shares secured. This is so annoying. Oh my gosh. Ah! BPTH coming down. Come on, give me something. What the heck? I don't know what's wrong with Trade Zero. I think I'm gonna start figure out Zero Pro and start using that one for executions, because I have that one for free because I'm a platinum account. I just don't use it because I've always used Zero free because I'm so used to it. This is retarded. Give me the stupid shares. This is so gay. Okay, whatever. I'm tired of that. Okay, so let me check EVK. Hanging around. Andrew, what made you hold over the VWAP reclaim? I don't really call this a VWAP reclaim. I mean, people can. I was nervous, but I was also in only a starter, so my position was small. I wasn't sized in full, and I don't consider this a reclaim because, as you can see, it tested VWAP and now it's rejected it. So a reclaim would be go over VWAP, and then right here where it bounced off of VWAP, if this had started grinding and going higher, that I would consider a reclaim. I mean, maybe people have different terms for it, I don't know, but I do not consider this reclaim because, as obviously and clearly you can see that this has failed VWAP. So but BPTH, huge runner. This way back in the day, this is my first huge runner that I've ever seen in my entire life, and I was like, what the heck just happened here, you know? But I wasn't in it, so because I wasn't shorting back then when I first started. I was a long trader my first year. Anyway, now so there's really no like resistance, you know, since that is created. But I'm just playing this as a gap and crap. You can see that we had a nice morning spike to $7, gave it all back for the most part, and now it's just bouncing. And so I was just playing the bounce on the short. Ooh, EVK just demolished. I like that. Makes me, unless this holds, that would be annoying. But so I started in here right when this red can, you know, I usually try to wait for weakness, well, not weakness, but like key level, and then kind of when it starts to roll over. And so this is the red candle I got faked out on. So I took a little bit of a starter here at it as it kind of pushed over. But a little bit of fake out here on the turn that I mistimed. You know, obviously I wish I would have started in here and I could have sized in much more on the bounce, risking off the $6 level. SQGB, that's the one I tried. I don't have it. Am I typing it? Oh, SQBG. Ooh, holy moly, is this a new gapper, huh? Decent, actually, decent volume resistance. 70 mil-ish. Not a whole lot in this market, but you know, not too bad. Let's see if we can push to 15, 16. Would be very ideal for me. Let me see if there's any shares. SQBG. 12. Let's see. 10,000 shares. Am I typing in this? Oh my gosh. Either I'm doing something wrong today, or oh, are you kidding me? This is probably going to be in a very nice trade. Not gonna lie. This probably has like $4 of range, but I don't think I have any. Yeah, I don't have any. There's no borrows on Trade Zero, and if there were, you know, they were taken very quick. When did this start? Started like, oh, this just started and there's already no shares. Oh, but the float is a micro float. No wonder. Kind of a dangerous short. Yeah, any push to, like a push to 15, $16 would be nice. BPTH. Let me try to why can't I get any BPTH? This is so annoying. BPTH, come on. Literally never had this problem, really, pre-market. Preston, you're saying that's pre-split. That's good to know. I didn't know that. Thank you. Either way, though, I mean, I guess anybody that's still looking into on this daily, like myself, don't know that, so they're going to be using these levels now. You know, bagged or not, you know, these are still technical levels, you know. But I mean, there's no shares on it, so it doesn't matter. And I probably don't want to touch a micro float like that. I don't know what's wrong with my Trade Zero. I don't know if you guys are able to get any BPTH, but mine's being stupid right now. EVK holding a nice support here on 250. I would probably risk off of this level. If it goes higher, I'm just going to cut it and restart higher. Otherwise, we need to see this 250 crack. Did I get any? Okay, there we go. Finally. I don't know why I was being so stupid. So I added just a little bit here. It's an expensive borrow, which is annoying. It's like, but it's like slightly over my like tolerance for what I'll accept for borrows. Usually, I don't want to short anything that's, you know, more over 10 cents a share. And I think BPTH is like 13 or something. So it's like just slightly over what I'm like, I don't know if I want to do it, but it shouldn't be a, you know, should be a decent trade. If it goes higher, even better, then I can cut and I can restart higher, and then it's going to offer even more range, so I'll make more off of those, off the shares I got. But it looks like it's already coming back down. SQBG keeps going. Okay, so that's really it, guys, on gappers and my plan for today. If there's no questions, then I'm gonna sign off, get back to the room. Did you look at let me start from the beginning. Julian, go grab more coffee. For real though. I actually don't drink coffee in the morning because it's only because it's 6 a.m. and I like to take a nap after like midday, and I can't. I've noticed that if I have coffee, like, you know, in the morning when I wake up, then I won't be able to take my nap, and I like my nap, so I just drink hot tea, and then I'll drink coffee for breakfast later. B before G. Thanks, man. Okay, BGI. No, I guess. Oh yeah, I missed this one to go over this one. Sorry, got it. BGI. This one's nice. This is also a bounce plus gap ish. You know, it's low volume. It's a dollar stock. You know, not my favorite. You know, we've only got like 50 mil resistance, and you know the ideal levels are 150. You know, that's exactly kind of that's exactly where it topped out pre-market. But I'm watching this. You know, it's still uptrending, holding support. But more of the reason why I'm not in this is because the borrows are expensive. So on a dollar stock, I don't want to pay that. You know, I'm gonna have to take a lot of shares, obviously, and when they're expensive, it's just not gonna be worth it for me. So, but you know, I would say this is not a bad setup. Like you get this push, you get the squeeze out, and then it's failed. So you know, this pop are ideal entries, risking off of this 150. So that's a great game plan on this. That's how I would trade it. It's just borrows are very expensive. Wow, BPTH even lower. EVK sort of coming down. Zachary, are you going to do live like this every day when your chat room open? My chat room is open. I've had it for almost a month now. Swear everyone on West Coast takes naps. Dude, when I mean, you're waking up at 3, how do you not take a nap? Preston, you gotta start taking naps, bro. Elliot, I'm in BPTH 5.5. That's a, you know, VWAP, that's a great entry. And if you added into this push, even better, you got a better average. Okay, guys, I'm signing off. Getting back to the room. That's really my only game plans for today, for now at least. All right, you guys have a good one.